vlog.
Hi.
Yeah, I'm gonna welcome the vlogs like that all the time because I like how it sounds.
Breauty Gruru. Sorry.
I'm walking a dog right now. It's not mine. It's my friend's. But
remember me?
Just as much. I think. Did I post that vlog?
I don't know. I've seen me in a couple of videos, I think.
Okay, sir. Gus.
Yes.
Hello, yes. If you, oh my god, there's a chihuahua.
Oh god, Gus is gonna be so scary. I'm only a little puppy. Oh fuck. There we go.
It's okay. Gus gets scared very easily because he's just a little baby. So he's got to get used to all these new sounds in the neighborhood. See?
There we go.
It takes a bit of coaxing. But yeah, some new things happen. I got blue hair. Okay, again. Come on. Got blue hair. I am visiting my people in Michigan right now. It is about 30 degrees.
Oh yeah, you're probably freezing right now, aren't you?
I mean, not really. I was born and raised here. I'm used to this cold.
It's been like 5 months.
But it's just different. Yeah, I've been away for 5 months. And like you said, like, as you guys saw, I visited my dad a few months back, but I haven't been in Michigan. I haven't been in Michigan since I went to school. And that has been 5 months. So it's kind of weird being back. You know, it feels like I never really left. Like, it feels like no time has passed.
Yeah, that's what it feels like to me too.
But at some degree, I'm like, whoa, I've been gone for 5 months. There's nothing really new going on. I'm gonna check back in with you guys. I mean, got nothing really exciting except for walking this adorable little chocolate drap.
And you're with me.
Yeah, there's that too.
It's been 5 months, and I'm like the best person you've ever hung out with, obviously.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess so. I'm going to say to make you feel better.
No, I love Hannah. She's one of my bestest friends ever. We went to high school together. We went to high school together. I'm seeing my other best friend Friday.
I'm not the only one?
Oh my god, no, you're not the only one.
Your thumb's covering the screen.
Oh shit. Okay, there we go. I am such a good cameraman. Like, I'm so good at this. And I wanted to tell you guys, I haven't posted in a while, but I wanted to tell you, I made the effort to post. I made a vlog like a week ago. And you know what happened? I edited everything. It was like 2 hours of footage. And I cut it down to like 40-50 minutes.
The vlog is so long.
And it wouldn't upload. It wouldn't fucking upload. I'm so mad about that. I'm still heated about that because I put so much effort. I kept the camera rolling the entire time, and all my effort goes to waste because it wouldn't upload. So just know that I have the effort and I have the spirit. I just don't have the equipment.
Hey, at least YouTube isn't like demonetizing your stuff yet.
Yeah.
It could be worse.
Honestly. I'm glad that hasn't happened. I'm honestly glad right now because of everything that's going on with YouTube.
Apocalypse.
I'm glad I'm not that, well, I'm not famous at all. I have like 5 subscribers. But
keep on going, you'll get more.
I'm glad I'm not, popular yet. Or else I'd be going through the same stuff that a lot of YouTubers right now are going through.
I don't know, it could be the fall of YouTube, so what you're doing now.
I know,
anything.
My backup plan is college. So I'm going through that right now. Yeah, that's the backup plan.
That's the backup plan.
Yeah.
Wow. I mean, to be fair, I think everyone's backup plan is okay. Fine, I guess you need to go to college.
Yes, you need to go to college, kids.
You're more forced to go to college than anything.
Yeah, the society does kind of say if you don't go to college, you fail at life.
Yeah.
Which is not true. It's just good to go to college so that you have, some ground to your life, I guess. Especially, it depends on what you're going in. Like, for me, technically, in all honesty, and even one of my instructors told me this, I don't actually need a degree to be in the film industry. But it's just, you know, like, I see it as an easy way to get good connections, and this is horrible lighting. I see it as an easy way to get connections, network, you know, get in touch with some bigger people than I would if I was just, you know, living at home, kind of just waiting for something to happen, you know what I mean? So, that's why I'm going to school.
See, I'm the opposite. I have the connections. I actually need the college degree, apparently.
What are you trying to go into?
Music.
Oh. Yeah, I think you do.
Yeah.
Especially to learn, like, certain things. Especially because, do you want to be just music, or do you want to be a teacher?
Right now music, but, I'm sorry. But I am thinking about doing teaching. So I definitely need.
Yeah, so there you would need. Yeah. See, it depends on what you want to go into. I want to go into a whole bunch of stuff, but like the top thing I want to go into is film. So I'm doing it now. And that's another thing. I know a lot of people, especially around my age and younger, like high school seniors, juniors, you know, and even some adults, like 20-year-olds, you know, they're kind of scatterbrained. We're technically adults.
We're adults.
We're adults on paper.
Legally we are. Mentally, no, I'm 5.
No, I'm 5, yeah. But,
oh, we're the same age. Sorry.
I know a lot of people are scatterbrained, you know, they don't really know what to do, don't know what to decide on. Oh my god. And so you just gotta, like, because like I said, I want to do 100 things. So you just gotta pick, like, the top thing you want to do the most and do that first. And then when you're done with that, you move on to the next thing you want to do. And then when you're done with that, the next thing. Like, you just gotta knock them off the list in a way, you know? Can't do them all at once.
So I am composing music, I am in choir, I am going to college, I am doing so much shit that I don't need to do, honestly. I am doing so much.
No, that's not our house either.
This one is our house.
There you go. You just won over. You almost had it, guys.
You'll figure it out. There we go. Yeah, we're home.
I stole it.
Aw, Naila, we're cuddling. Hi.
Hi.
What's up?
Oh, Gus got excited. I was like,
Gus.
what's happening?
Hi, Gus. Hi, baby.
Oh.
What?
What?
Ooh, what?
I said, ah.
Oh, I thought
It was like a,
ooh.
Whoa.
Ooh, Naila, you're moaning.
What? That's not how I moan.
I don't
moan.
Neither do I. I just breathe heavy.
Yeah. My, like, voice gets caught in my... Okay, why?
Sorry. Your lap's comfy, though.
Can he get on?
He can't jump up. We have to actually put him up here.
Oh, you precious child! Yeah!
Yeah! That's one.
Your hands go... Wait. Oh, that was right in my mouth. Okay.
Really helps my neck. Guys, I don't like your butt in my face.
Said, but I like my butt in your face.
You just pooped.
Wait. Wait, Gus. I know. Okay, wait. Get your butt out of your mama's face. He's longer than I thought.
He's used to that. I'm tired.
Me too. I feel like I've been running around all week.
Well, you have. You're home for like a week.
I know. I hate
Everyone wants to see you.
I hate this so much. I'm like, I wish it could just be longer. Just a little longer. Just another week. Why is that so hard? But then for Christmas, I get 23 days.
I don't want us to
Oh.
See, this is why I put him on the floor. I feel like the whole vlog's just gonna be Gus kissing you.
Of course! Someone has been replaced!
Look, I don't think labs shed.
You're so loving. I don't think they do either. I had a little toy poodle. He never shed. Or at least not that noticeably. He's like one of the girls. He's sitting in between us.
Hey, do you want to get brushed? Here, that's an idea. He hates getting brushed so much, but this is gonna be fun.
Really? Why do you hate getting brushed? Do you know where she's going? Oh.
If I can find it.
What is she getting? What is that? What? Okay, I'm instigating.
Actually, you're gonna think this is really cute. I don't think it's gonna fit him, but I'm gonna try it.
Are those bow ties?
The Disney bow ties.
Oh my gosh.
Cute?
Are you ready to look really cute?
It's not gonna fit you at all, but I'm gonna try it.
Wait. You gotta sit still.
It's not gonna fit you.
Oh, you're too small.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Look at the camera, Gus.
Gus.
Oh my god, you look like a little businessman. Oh. Oh.
Wait, Gus.
You suit and tie.
Can you even see it?
Yeah.
Oh, Gussie, you look so cute.
His neck is
Oh,
a
I
little
wish-
small, but
I wish it fit
it
you.
works.
I wish it fit you. Oh, fuck.
Oh. Oh, it snaps on. It's a little Mickey tie. It's so cute.
Okay, guys, let's try this one more time. Hey. No.
It's not toy, buddy. It's fashion.
It's fashion.
I know what's wrong with her.
Yes, you do.
She don't want
Tell
to.
the truth. No, I'm telling about the shit.
Then what?
Why you tell why I'm mad.
Oh, no way. Why you mad?
Because you going to eat all that good food down there.
That's all you can.
I ain't stuck about them children. Go see them. Take a picture.
Everything else, guys, you guys okay?